Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's and I've got an electric Stihl strimmer here, battery operated, that's got a problem. So let's go into it. Now this is a Stihl FSA 857 battery operated strimmer, and the customer said the head doesn't spin. So I went down there and I engaged it, and the battery didn't spin. I pulled the battery out, checked in there, the terminals looked good. I pushed it back in, and then I started hearing a noise coming from the head whenever I activated it. So I grabbed hold of the head and it was stiff to turn. It was. And after turning it a little bit, I then activated it again and it worked. There was a bit of slowness, and eventually it started spinning up to full speed, and then I started to smell something. Now it wasn't an electrical smell, it was like wood burning. Yeah. So I stopped, but the machine was going. And what I found out is this: when you take the head off of this, if I can, fingers ain't gripping as usual. Right, now I've given it a bit of a loosen. What I discovered was this: you undo the top section, put it there, and you've got this orange piece underneath, and I pulled it off, and lo and behold, what do we see here? Yep, all around the edge there, it's grass. Compacted grass that's around that piece there. So, and if you can see, it's slightly brown from where it's been rubbed on and burnt. So what I'll do is I'll get hold of a screwdriver. I shall ping this ring off of burnt grass, clear all this up. Yeah, you see? Can you see all that's coming out? All this, that's the burnt bit. And I'll finish clearing this off. Probably get a little razor blade in there to clear that all away. But that was what was causing the head not to spin. And you can see on this orange piece here some marks from the from that there. But so I'm going to clear that up and then put it back together again. Okay, I've wiped scraped as much of it off as I can. You can see it's damaged it a bit because it's got hot. So what I'll do is I'll put this on here, and there is a shape for it to fit onto. I'll then give that a clear out at the top of there, because oh god, how much muck. Quick puff puff. And I suspect there's supposed to be a cover that goes over the top of that's missing. So I should now wind it down onto there. Just nip it up. And let's activate it. It wasn't even spinning when I first done that. First come across it. So now folks, if you've got an electric battery operated Stihl strimmer and the blade there, the head, isn't rotating, that could be one of the reasons why. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you really liked it, it's much appreciated and totally free. hit the subscribe button. So until next video, take care and I'll see you then. Bye.